In today's video, I am going to teach you how to broadcast email on Aweber. Start by logging into your Aweber account and going to the Messages area in the main menu. From there, choose Drafts. This is where you will build your broadcast email before it goes out to your subscribers, so it is a good place to double-check everything while it is still editable. Next, click Create a Message. When you see the options for different message types, select the drag-and-drop email builder. This builder is designed to make layout and formatting simple even if you are not a designer. It lets you add and arrange content blocks like text, images, buttons, and dividers in a clean visual way. Now design your email. Add your subject line, write your content, and make sure the message matches your goal, whether that is an announcement, a promotion, or a newsletter update. As you build, keep readability in mind. Use short paragraphs, clear headings if needed, and make sure links and buttons are easy to spot. When you are happy with the layout and content, click Save and Exit. Give it a moment to load fully after saving, so you return to the draft list with your changes properly stored. Once you are back in Drafts, find the message you just created. You will see a Schedule option next to it. Click Schedule to begin setting up delivery. On the scheduling screen, review the section labeled Who should receive this message. Click Edit if you need to narrow the audience. You can filter by list or by tag, which is helpful when you want to target a specific group instead of emailing everyone. Then review, when should this message be sent? Click Edit to choose your timing. You can send immediately if it is time-sensitive, or pick a specific date and time if you want it to go out later. Before you finalize, take a quick moment to confirm the recipients and the sending time are correct. Finally, click Send Message now. If you are ready to broadcast right away, or choose Schedule Message to send it at your selected time. And that is all there is to it.